Good morning. Today I'm going to show you my balcony garden and harvest some vegetables for my lunch and rabbits. This broccoli has been growing since August 2020. It took me a big while for this broccoli to form the head and to harvest. Today is like January 28th. I'm so happy for this. Actually, there are more leaves and bigger leaves around the head, but I have been harvesting the leaves and fed my rabbits many times. The broccoli looks really healthy and the head is bigger than what I thought or expected. My rabbits can enjoy abundance of broccoli leaves while I can enjoy the head of the broccoli. These two daikons have been under the ground for about a few months, since August. I think they will grow longer if I put in like a deeper container and more soil. I filled the soil only half of the container, and that's why they are very short like this. It is very easy to pull them up. Mizuna has been growing in this milk carpet. I have been harvested for 2 times already, and today is the 3rd time. This is the Tatsoi. It looks really fabulous. I'm gonna cut for my lunch. Just few leaves. These lettuces are not grown at the balcony but in front of my house. I harvested many times already, so today I'm gonna finish them. I'm gonna put some microgreen in my salad too. It's my first winter to grow vegetables in Japan, so I don't really know whether my vegetables gonna survive outside the garden, outside the balcony or not. So just in case, and as for my experiment, I grow some vegetables such as lettuce and microgreen inside the house to have some fresh lettuce and vegetables to eat over the winter. I don't need the grow light because I have a very wide window and this spot receives a lot of sunlight during the winter.